Hello, how are you? I am back again. Mary's having a nap, so I thought I'd do a little video. I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing and then a try on. The other day I got a Pixi PR package, thank you very much. And I've already tried them, I already love them, and I just thought I'd show you the box, show you what's inside, and also do a little try on. So Pixi are known for their amazing PR packages, and they are kind of like the list that every blogger wants to be on, or every influencer, as we call ourselves now, wants to be on. And yeah, I thought I'd show you what the PR package this time looks like. So this is the box, and I'm just going to open her up. And inside we have 3 of the new Hydra lip treats. Now there is a pink, they are like tinted lip balms, and then there is a red scarlety colour, and then there is a nude. So I think I'm probably going to use the nude one for at night, just as kind of like a pre-bed lip balm. And then the pink I might give away because I don't really wear pink. And then scarlet I bloody love. Let me show you. Oh, and before I get going, I just want to share that they contain hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, and shea butter. Okay, so this is my favourite. This is the Scarlett. And yeah, let me crack her open and show you what it looks like. So this is the packaging, nice and simple, just really good for a handbag, very good for like easy application. Also, I apologise, I've been doing a lot of gardening lately, and it's very hard to make my hands look non-gardeny. I should really wear gloves, but I don't. Anyway, let me show you. So here is the product. I'm just going to give her a little swatch. That's what it looks like on my arm. Now let's just put it straight on my lip. So it's really, really easy to apply. It's quite like a shapeless bullet, but I don't think you need it to be shapy. Do you know what I mean? I think it just works really well. It's really casual. It gives you kind of like a really soft, blurred edge, which I'm really into. I don't like a sharp finish. So yeah, it's a bit more of a French girl look. So you really just apply like it's a lip balm. In fact, you don't really even need a mirror. Easy. In terms of smell, I think it smells a little bit minty. Maybe that's just me. But yeah, there it is. It's really, really easy to apply. It is very much like a kind of a lip balm with a splash of colour. What I quite like about this is it is a lip balm, but it's quite a hard formula. Like, it doesn't travel. Like, it's not one of those really soft formulas where you kind of put it on and then next thing you know it's kind of like traveling around your mouth and you look like it's just kind of gone everywhere. It's quite a solid bullet, which is quite good, and I really like that because I do find a lot of tinted lip balms kind of tend to move a lot, and I don't really like that. It just makes me look like messy. Anyway, yeah, there it is. I love it. The colour is buildable, so yeah, you can have fun and apply a little bit more, but I just love them. I think they're really easy, really fun for summer, really hydrating, lovely wash of colour, and yeah, can't complain. Love them. Just really lovely tinted colour lip balm. So yeah, that's my video. Ooh. There it is again in the bullet. Yeah, I just think they're really fun and cute and simple and perfect for summer, perfect for like a little wash of like effortless colour. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.